So let's rehearse the third application. Hicho no kamai, bird taking off pose. So thing is, someone strikes low here, and you block with the left. Get out of the way, block left, and then kick with the left. Shift and strike with the right. Once more. Get out of the way, block, kick, and then elbow first, strike with a shuto, sword strike with the right. On the other side, you shift. So just your sword hand here. Kick suck, but you know, block, kick, advance and strike. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.